Good evening, all of you. Uh, so, today our topic of discussion is important committees related to economics. Okay, so today's topic is economy. So, economy is our topic. So, today we will have a discussion on eight important committees. Eight important committees related to economics. Okay, so let us start. So, I have erased. So, first committee which you should remember is Kelkar committee. So I am denoting this by letter K. So Kelkar committee is a committee which is related to tax reforms. So will you remember Kelkar committee is a committee related to tax reform. Second committee which I will be talking about is Narsimhan committee. Narsimhan committee. So just like Kelkar committee is related to tax reform, Narsimhan committee is related to financial sector reforms. So Kelkar is related to tax and Narsimhan committee is related to financial sector reforms. So I told you today we'll discuss eight different committees. So I have already discussed two committees. Third is Hanumat Rao committee. Hanumat Rao committee. I am denoting this by H. So I have already discussed Kelkar committee and Narsimhan committee. Narsimhan committee and Kelkar committee. Sorry for my pronunciation. And third one is Hanumat Rao committee. So Hanumat Rao committee is related to fertilizer. Just remember. So Kelkar committee is related to tax reform, and Narsimhan committee is related to financial sector reforms, and Hanumat Rao committee is related to fertilizer. So today we will discuss eight committees. Okay, so we have already discussed three committees. Fourth one is Mahajan committee. Mahajan committee. So I am denoting it by M. So Kelkar committee, Narsimhan committee, Hanumat Rao committee and Mahajan committee. Mahajan committee is related to sugar industry. So Mahajan committee is related to sugar industry. So whenever a question on sugar or agriculture comes, you can quote Mahajan committee. So I have already discussed Kelkar committee, Narsimhan committee, Hanumat Rao committee and Mahajan committee. So we have already discussed four committees. Next, let us discuss the fifth committee, that is Saptarishi committee. Saptarishi committee. So Rishi committee is related to development of domestic tea industry. So Saptarishi committee is related to tea industry. Next, second last is Basel committee. Basel committee. So Basel committee is related to banking supervision. So Basel committee is related to banking supervision. So whenever a question on committee comes, you can write these all committees. Okay. So and it is also asked in a prelims exam also. So for example, they will ask you Hanumat Rao committee is related to what? So Hanumat Rao committee is related to fertilizer. Hanumat Rao committee is related to fertilizer. So I told you Basel committee is related to banking supervision or banks. Okay. Next one is very important and सबसे easiest committee, that is Tendulkar committee. So you said you just apply the trick. Sachin Tendulkar was very poor. So it is related to poverty. It is related to poverty. Okay. So Tendulkar committee is related to poverty. Next is last but not the least, it is Khusro committee. Khusro committee is related to is agricultural credit system. So it is related to agricultural credit system. So in short, if I see, uh, uh, you can say that Kelkar committee, Narsimhan committee, uh, Hanumat Rao committee and Mahajan committee, Saptarishi committee and Basel committee, Tendulkar committee and Khusrao committee. So with K you have two committees, K and K, Kelkar and Khusro committee. So now let us revise. So uh, Kelkar committee, okay, Kelkar committee is related to what? Kelkar committee is related to, okay, let me change the color of ink. Kelkar committee is related to tax. Narsimhan Rao committee is related to financial sector reform, finance. Third one is Hanumat Rao committee. Hanumat Rao committee is related to fertilizer. Mahajan committee is related to sugar industry. Saptarishi committee. Saptarishi committee is related to development of tea, domestic tea industry. Saptarishi. Okay. So you can imagine rishis are drinking tea. Okay, so these rishis are sitting. So in Rig Ved, Yajur Ved, you'll find rishis and they are drinking tea. So that is Saptarishi committee. Next is Basal committee. Basal committee. This is important committee. This is mostly asked. It is related to banking supervision. Okay. Next is Tendulkar committee. Sachin Tendulkar is very poor. Okay. So he does not have money. So it is Tendulkar committee. And Khusro committee. Khusro committee is related to agriculture. So this is very easy. So easy. Okay, 8 committees. So let us revise again. Kelkar committee, Narsimhan committee, Hanumat Rao committee, Mahajan committee, Saptarishi committee, Basel convention, Tendulkar committee, Khusro committee. So Khusro committee is, you are doing agriculture and you are very khush, okay, happy. So that is related to agriculture. You are saying खुश रहो, खेती करके खुश रहो. Sachin Tendulkar is very poor. Tendulkar committee. Okay. Third is Kelkar committee. Kelkar committee is related to tax. Okay. Then Hanumat Rao committee. So Hanumanji is working in, is the boss of fertilizer industry. Okay, because when you put fertilizers there will be fruits, mango and apple. Okay, then next is Mahajan committee. So there is a Mahajan, he is working in sugar industry. Okay, so he is eating so much sugar that he is becoming very fat. So he is fat, see you can, he is very big stomach and he is becoming Mahajan. Okay, next is Tendulkar committee. Sachin Tendulkar is becoming poor. Basel committee is bank. B for Basel, B for bank. So there is a Basel and there is lots of money. Okay, so that is bank. Next one is Sapta Rishi committee. So rishis are having tea. Narsimhan committee. So it is related to finance. So I don't know the trick. Okay, just remember Narsimhan committee. So Kelkar, Narsimhan, Hanumat Rao, Mahajan, Saptarishi, Basal, Tendulkar and Khusro committee. So very easy committees. Okay, thank you very much.